Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Well, we have another embagging, so that means we have another review. Let's get to it. See if I can get it open without cutting anything. This is kind of a full bag. Well, it's getting there. All right. I think that's everything. All right, I'll be right back and I'll tell you who this is from. All right, I am back. This is from the Biggest Craft store. This is going to be in 3 parts, so this will be part 1. And let's get started. Well, I got some more clips and they're in a different color. They had to make more, I guess, because, you know, Laura's buying them all. No, I'm not. About every other time I see them, I get some more because I just love them. Just absolutely love them. They're so easy on the hands, especially if you have arthritis in your hands. They stick where you put them because they have these nice little grooves, if you will. And it works well on counted to hold your pattern, and it doesn't work really well on diamond painting. I use it more for cross stitch, you know, in my pre-stamped. I'll roll them up and I'll put them on the side because they don't go anywhere. They won't move or slide easily. They're great. Absolutely great. These were, where is it? They were 99 cents for 2, so approximately 50 cents a piece. So, best thing I bought in ages, and I just keep buying them. I have my little bowl here, and it's full of these, and there's probably 8 over there on my table where I do my stitching, you know, at night and everything. So yeah, if you can get some of those clips, buy them. They're well worth the price. All right, so we have some cross stitch kits. Looks like a Joy Sunday wannabe. Isn't she cute? She's just precious. She's a 14 count and she is 21 by 21. I went for whimsical this time, so you'll get it. So let me put that up there. Does have the instructions on the bag. Comes with a resealable zip type bag. Wonderful. It says Maybear. Isn't it cute? Looks like there's some back stitching in it, but yeah, it's not too big. It's a 90 by 90 and it has 30 colors. There's 3/4 stitch, back stitch, and full stitch in this. And these are all the different symbols. It does come with 2-sided pattern. So it shows you where to do all the back stitching. There's a lot of back stitching, but it's not a big canvas, so don't get carried away. It's good. It's good. Yeah. Just cute. Let's take a look at the colors. It does come with 2 needles, just like Joy Sunday always does. And let me straighten them out. They're all nice and long. But you got blues and browns and greens and pinks and yellows and some more blues. But I just thought it was a precious little kit. Just cute. And I usually don't buy 14 count. And you're going to see here by the canvas what I said. It's not that big. In fact, let's do a little side by side. There's how big the picture actually is. So about 2 more sizes bigger than this actual picture on the front. And that's how big this canvas is. Nice serged all the way around. Does have the product numbers at the top. And these are these aren't hard to read, but this here, you know, you might have to look on your graft, over your paper pattern. And I can tell this is backstitched just by the symbol. But other than that, it's kind of difficult to read the numbers because it's kind of small, but it's cute. It is. It's just precious. So this one is about 21 and a half. I mean 20 and a half. So that makes it about 8 inches square that way. And 21 and a half. And it's about 8 and a quarter. So it's a little bit bigger than it says. It says 21 by 21. The actual picture size is 16, almost 16, a little over 16 centimeters. And that makes it almost 6.5 by about 6.5. So if you had a 7x7 frame or an 8x8 and put something behind it, it'd be cute. And there's not a lot of cross stitching. All of it's going to come in the back stitching, you know, because that's going to make the lace around everything and go around all the flowers. And then there's some little vines and stuff hanging by her. So yeah, I just thought it was a cute project. And I just love those colors. And it's a Joy Sunday wannabe because it didn't say Joy Sunday. It just looks like Joy Sunday. So I don't know if these are older Joy Sunday, you know, or not. I have a few that are like that. Oh, the bear was... Bear was $5.99. And this cat and the butterfly was $5.99 as well. But it does say Joy Sunday. It's a 14 count. And it's 19 by 20. It does have the instructions on the back on how to, you know, if you've never learned how to stitch. And I love these bags because they're resealable. You can, yeah, they're resealable, but now they won't come open, right? Oh, geez. Get down. Thank you. Yeah. But I like those bags. You know, you can use them for other projects after you finish this one. Now, this one doesn't seem to have nearly as much back stitching in it as, you know, as the other one. There's some, but yeah. I just thought he was cute. Just a sweet little cat. And it has 19 colors. It has full stitch, back stitch, and French knots. French knots are on the tips of the antennae. Is that right? Of the butterflies. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 French knots. You could use beads if you wanted to. If you had some really small, tiny beads, that would work. And then the back stitching, of course, goes everywhere else. So this one's a little bit simpler than the last one. But isn't that cute? Just cute. Let's take a look at the colors. It does have 2 needles. And these are short threads. They're folded in half. They have greens and pinks and more greens and tans and browns. A little bit of a dark mauve, if you will. And kind of a brick red here. Isn't that pretty? Just nice, easy, simple. Yeah. Yeah. Back stitching kind of gets me stopped, but the back stitching is going to make this pattern. And it's not very big. Let me see. In fact, it's about the same size as the picture when it's done. So this one's a little smaller. Does have serging all the way around. Does have the product numbers that are the numbers down here on the paper. So you can keep everything together. I didn't see any stickers on either one. Maybe there was, maybe there wasn't, but there's nothing on this. You know, that sometimes they put the product number sticker on your thread card. And if you want, just do what I do. You just turn it over and you write down what the product, that K4, what is it? K489, right on the back of it. And that way it keeps it together. And I just use a Sharpie it works. Don't do it on the front because it's got that slick front. What are you doing over there? She is digging a hole. She is driving me crazy. So this one is about a tad over 19 by 19, which is 7.5. The actual picture is 5 3/4, which is almost 15 by 5 3/4. So, yeah, I just thought they were cute. Oh, I'm going to kick her butt in a minute. Alright, guys. Well, BiggestCraft, thank you very much for sending me these beautiful products. They do have free shipping over $49, and I'm not sure if they have any, like, sometimes they'll have a % discount for, like, site-wide. If that is so, I will put that in the... Holy cow. The wind is just a whooping. What was I saying? I was worried about the wind. If there's any different, like a discount code or anything, I will put it in the description box below. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have cross-stitch, pre-stamped and counted. They have cross-stitch crafts and tools. They do not have any diamond painting. They have embroidery. And they also have a new arrivals section, so you can see what comes in. Just set your little filter for new arrivals, and then you can see what has come in recently. They also have a clearance section year-round, so that's really great, and you can sometimes get some bargains on some bigger ones, you know, that they might have been too spendy the last time you looked or whatever. So I've gotten some really good deals, and I have bought from them personally, so they are a very good store. I ordered this on the 25th, and I got it, so it was about, like, yesterday, we'll say. So it was about 10 days, but they usually have very good shipping, and if there's anything wrong with your thing, they have great customer, you know, with your order. Just email them, and they get, you know, back to you, because now you're dealing with China, so wait 24 hours, because they'll get back to you like by midnight, depending on where you are in the country, or whatever country you're in. But they do get back to you right away, and they want to make it right, and they'll fix it, whatever it is. So I've never ever had a problem with them. Alright guys, this is the end of part 1, and tomorrow we'll have part 2. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.